A unique opportunity to own a piece of history. The retired, two-story post office is in great condition, and currently a woodworking shop, but could become a guest house, Airbnb, store, or anything the entrepreneur desires. The main house was originally a country store with residents above, but has been remodeled into a huge masterpiece of a full open concept home on first floor, with the second story a separate residence, if you so choose, or continue using as additional living space with 4 bedrooms, bath, full kitchen and living room. All wood flooring throughout, fireplaces and wood walls and wainscoting make this country living at its best. There is so much potential here for living and owning your business in same location. Triple zoned HVAC and an outdoor wood furnace means low electric bills for energy efficiency in this 4,000 square foot stately manor. 5 bedrooms and 3 baths, 1 with a soaking tub, in total structure mean large family gatherings are never a problem, especially with the huge dining and living areas and family rooms with wood and gas fireplaces. Or sit on the full-length front porch and sip your morning java and listen to the stream that's just a stone's throw away. You have to